Hi friends, welcome back YouTube channel. So how's you all? Hope you're all fine and good. God bless you, always be happy in your life, always be keep smile. Today we'll say in this video is modern and stylish, unique landscaping ideas, garden decorations ideas. Many more beautiful ideas we'll explore in this video till the end. Attractive and trending you will see in this videos modern, unique, free crochet, modern you will see landscaping decoration designs. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Many more beautiful ideas we'll explore in this videos till the end. So guys, I might suggest you just keep on watching these videos till the end. Top attractive and trending and stylish landscaping designs. If you like my videos, so we first downloaded my videos. Modern, top creative and trending landscaping ideas. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Watch my whole videos and enjoy your very creative and trending landscaping ideas. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. If you like my videos, so watch my full videos. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in these videos till the end. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in these videos till the end. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring stylish landscaping ideas. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel. Watch my full videos and enjoy your creative knitting modern landscaping ideas. These are my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Lovely viewers, I always try to bring top attractive and trending modern landscaping designs. So I have uploaded modern home decorations ideas, indoor plants, wall hanging decoration designs, modern sofa sets ideas. So my channel is all about beautiful decorations ideas. I will see in all top creative and trending landscaping designs. So guys, I may suggest you just keep on watching this videos till the end. You will see all top creative and stylish landscaping designs. So